this video, I'll show you how you can join a Microsoft Teams meeting. So I'll show you step by step how you can do this, and it shouldn't be that hard. So for this to work, you need to get an invite from the host. So I'm just going to go into a random meeting right now, and the host actually needs to send you an invite. So right here, your host will be able to click on copy the meeting link or invite via email. So I recommend doing the copy link because you can send it across different platforms and not just email. But the host needs to do this. So copy the meeting link, and then you want to make sure to let your host send that link over to you. So I'll just show you what that looks like. So if I just do this, and then just ignore all of this stuff, by the way. There you go. So you now have this link. Now if you receive that link, all you need to do is paste it in there, hit enter, and you can then join that conversation. So you can do that with the Microsoft Teams app or the web version. So click on join web or download the app, and that's how you can join the meeting. So I'm not going to be able to do that probably because that would be a meeting with myself. So that's not going to work, but that's how you can join a meeting. So if this video helps you out, leave a like on the video, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.